Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti Q60 key fob battery. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 battery ready, along with a small flathead screwdriver. These are the only tools you will need for this simple process. Having a clean, well-lit area will also make the task much easier. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, press the release button on the back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. Set this key aside for a moment. Next, look at the bottom edge of the fob. You will see two small notches. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into one notch and gently twist. Repeat this action in the second notch to start separating the two halves of the fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the round CR2032 battery. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, usually with the positive side facing down. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing down, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap securely into place all around the edges. Make sure there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click. Now, test your key fob's lock and unlock functions to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.